My name is Gerve Tillman. I graduated in 2010 from the program of electrical engineering. My current job is I'm a program manager for the Space Force. A recruiter from the Air Force told me about a program called the Technical Degree Sponsorship Program, where they were looking for electrical and mechanical engineers. So I signed up, but I ended up liking it, stayed there. Kettering prepared me for my career because it gave me that industry experience early on. I got to see how people made decisions. I got to see how engineers worked. I knew I wanted to be an engineer since I was in the 7th grade. Don't ask me how. I just knew I liked to take things apart and put it together. Someone told me that's what an engineer does. So I had a teacher and I asked him what was the best school in Michigan to go to, and he mentioned Kettering University. I'd never heard of Kettering. So I looked it up, found out about the co-op program that you could start your freshman year, and I really liked the fact that they had small class sizes. I didn't want to get kind of lost in the sea of all of the other engineering students, so it was a lot more intimate and a lot more personable. I think the Kettering community is a small, tight-knit family. It's an engineering school, so for the most part, we know that that's kind of what we're here for. We're all working towards the same goal, and we all want to see each other succeed. Kettering is not a traditional school in a sense of, we don't have like sports teams or anything like that. We have kind of that blend of school plus work. It's almost like an accelerated learning curve where you are in that industry already and kind of understanding those things as like a 19 or 20-year-old as opposed to a little later in life. So you get to learn a lot of those lessons sooner. I think coming to Kettering allows you to build networks with people that are going to be in very important places. A lot of people that come to Kettering are hard drivers, they're ambitious. There's just something about, a Kettering student that knows where they're going and what they're doing. And so being able to have that network of people while also being able to get really deep in the technical aspects of what it is you're working on. You have access to professors that are brilliant. If you want to be more than just a number, then I think Kettering is the place for you to be.